All right guys, what's up? Stopped during a moto out here on the turn track. Wanted to give you guys a little tech tip. Now this primarily is going to concern KTM techs, anybody that works at a dealership or uses the XC2 tool to unlock these bikes or read codes or anything like that. The new hour meter on these 2023 bikes, it's different. It's got the FI light built in and stuff. It actually plugs into the harness. We have noticed that if you leave that hour meter plugged in, hold on, got some bikes coming by. Let's let the bikes pass. Tyler, his dirt is deep today. Okay, we have noticed that if you connect the XC2 tool to this bike and you let it sit, whether you're unlocking the bike, whatever you're doing, if you're connected, this hour meter runs. So it will actually run up hours on your hour meter just by having the tool connected. That's why you may get a bike from the dealership and it may say 0.2 or 0.3 hours on it and you think they've rode it and they really haven't rode it. It's just been connected to the tool for unlock procedures and break-in and all that. There's another one. So, if you're a tech, let's set my pass here. Little deep today. So if you're a KTM tech or you know, if you're taking your bike in to be worked on, just remind them, hey, if you don't mind, just unplug my hour meter. It's just one plug behind the number plate here. Just unplug that and that will keep the hour meter from running while you're connected. I mean, it's not a problem or anything, but who wants to run up hours on their bike that hours on the meter that aren't actually on the bike? So hope that helps a few of you guys out. Just another weird quirky thing we noticed with these 23 models. I haven't confirmed this on the two strokes, but I think it is the case on, I think I've heard it's the case on those as well. So thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.